So what's up guys? By the way, my name is Kim John Sway Pakulba, BS Criminology from Black Charlie. Now, how to disassembling and assembling the computer system. Disassembling the computer system. First, undo the screw on the back of the case. And then, remove the cover. And remove power connectors connected to the motherboard. And now remove the screw, the power supply at the back of the cabinet. And then easily remove the power supply. And remove the SATA cable. And remove the memory module. And remove the screw that holds that card in place. And then remove the video card. And remove the front panel connectors. And screw the hard disk drive. Unscrew the screw that holds the motherboard. The motherboard with the processor built-in video card, random access memory, hard disk drive, and SATA cable. Assembling the computer system. Motherboard is to be fixed vertically in the mother tower case and the screw and fixed from behind of the screw. Tighten the motherboard with screws. Now line up the power supply in the back end. The power connectors from the motherboard power supply are to be connected. Mount the memory module on the motherboard by aligning the RAM to its socket. Connect the front panel connector to the motherboard. Front panel USB port and front panel audio port. Install the video card to the PCIe expansion slot in the motherboard and tighten a screw. Place the hard disk drive on the disk tray. Tighten with a screw. Put the SATA power connectors to the hard disk drive. Connect the SATA cable in the hard disk drive. Then to the motherboard. Cover the tower by placing it and pressing towards front side and screw it.